So you were looking for mommy? So the door, mommy went to do the laundry, right? So what did you do when you were looking for mommy? How did you cry? Kala ko malakas. Bakit mahina kang umiyak? Paano yung malakas mo iyak ka? Paano? Lakasan mo. Ay, tumatawa ka naman eh. Yung cry talaga. Paano? Lakasan mo. Hindi naman ganyan ka umiyak kanina eh. Galing. Pwede ka ng drama. Drama. Wait. She said she sat on that on that thing and then looking for mom because that's the door downstairs when I did my laundry.